Hey, this is Tony the RV DJ with you again for yet another review video. This one is going to be the LeFree paper towel holder. It was sent to us by the same company that sent us the garden hose and the brush kit. So it says it has one hand tearing. It has a 2.65 pound weighted base, spring activated arm, and it's made of stainless steel. Total weight of this is 3.4 pounds. Has an anti-slip mat on the bottom of the base. So let's take a look and see what we have inside. So we have our instruction sheet. We have the base. And we have the top. Just have a push button on it. Lifetime warranty. We have the adjustable arm, the spring-loaded arm, and the rod that goes into the base. Right? Alright, so first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the center tube, screw it onto the base, then we're going to take the tension bar and we're going to pull this back. Put this on here like that. And this has, the top has a press button on it. So you're going to put this on like this. That holds it into place. You press the button to release it. Put your roll of paper towels on and it clips in place. And we have our handy dandy roll of paper towels. Holds it in place like that. And you just pull them off. And you get one sheet at a time. Seems like to be pretty well constructed. I like the press button to release so you can get the empty tube or paper towels off. The empty tube. And replace it. It's stainless steel. Would go very well with your stainless steel appliances in your kitchen. Nice heavy base. Swivels around freely. So I say thumbs up for the LeFree paper towel holder. Link in the description below. And we'll see you in the next one.